I prefer instant noodles, instant coffee, 5G internet, high-speed computers and fast cars because we live in an Insta world where one click gets me almost anything I want. So when I was introduced to ICICI Direct's flash trade, I said to myself, yes, they get my need for speed. Seriously, if you're an F&O trader like me who likes charting, super quick entries and exits at a really high frequency, I think you're going to be mighty impressed too. ICICI's flash trade lets me place orders, track market movement, use indicators, track my profit and loss in real time, set an auto exit timer and lots more, all in one screen. You understand why I find this so awesome, right? No? Okay, let me explain it a little more in detail. All this while, I had track charts on a different window. Select my order on a different window and then continue tracking because we couldn't simply exit based on time. But not anymore. Now everything is different. Would you like a peek? Come along. Now say, here's a position I like. I just need to click the up or down button to buy a call or a put option. I think the market is going up. Now, I just got to enter the volume and decide on the order time. Here, I can either buy at the last traded price or set my own price with a limit order. You see the timer button here? I can decide if I want to stay here for a minute, 2 minutes, or even 10 minutes. But I have a meeting coming up in 5 minutes, so I'll set it at 5 and do my thing. Do you see the beauty of this? I need not obsessively track this position now. Just set a timer and it'll get auto-executed. This is like some advanced risk management. And I can exit any time in between, obviously. Okay, now, let's just check the details once. And confirmed! There you see it. Add it to your positions. That's right. You can track your positions from here in real time. Now here, I can just exit this position manually if this position is working against me. But if I think the market is just right, I can also add another position just by clicking Add. Here's the buy call confirmation pop up again and confirm. As you see, another position safely added. You see, you can track multiple positions simultaneously now. Neat, isn't it? Now, although there's time remaining, I can just exit these positions at once by clicking on Exit All. And voila! Executed with ease. Here are the details of those positions. And by the way, flash trade also helps me become a more focused and disciplined trader because there's only one chart, so no distractions, and I can stick to my trading plan. A 5-minute stop means I don't let greed take over and ruin my plans, so my losses are limited too. Friends, I don't know about you, but I think I'm a total fangirl.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.